Hello guys and girls out there. I'm coming to you with this quick video on Builderall's new feature. It's the Funnel Club, and it's only offered to Premium Club members, the $69.90 membership. And what you get is these pre-made for you lead generation funnels. And they're already made up. All you do is link a domain to this. And you definitely want to link a domain because you could take these to places like Facebook and even Google, and they won't frown on having an affiliate link or subdomains and things like that. Trust me, I've already tried one of these out on Facebook, and I ran ads to it, and it works. So you can generate leads for your business. I just did it today or yesterday, and it got approved today. And it's working fine. And what I'm going to do is just show you what these look like pre-made for you. If you click on these lead generation funnels, let's see, preview in a new window. So look at there. All you do is link your domain and start getting traffic. Now that's going to be the challenge, is getting traffic to this landing page, but you could have your own list connected to this opt-in form, or you can let Builderall, if you're a premium member and you sign up for the $69.90 plan, you can let Builderall take those leads and generate a new subscriber, a new customer for you if you like. But if you want control over that, you could have them sent to your email list. That's one option. Another option, if you scroll down here toward the bottom, is another business opportunity that I think is really nice. So as you see, we're coming up on different examples of businesses that will benefit from these landing pages, such as auto detailing companies, martial arts businesses, boot camps, dog grooming. And what you can do is give these lead magnets away for free. And now there is a catch. And if this company wants to utilize this lead magnet, they have to sign up for the premium plan. Under you would be preferable, that they sign up under you, because you will get that recurring commission for their sign up. And this is a very good benefit to their business if they can have a very eye-catching sales funnel lead magnet to generate leads for their business. And as you grow, and if you're knowledgeable about generating leads for companies, you could even help them, maybe offer them a small fee to help them generate leads for their business. So that's a business in itself right there. They also have sort of eliminated having to have like PLR products or do copywriting, because take, for example, this thermogenic foods landing page or lead magnet. Again, we mentioned you could give this away for free, or you can download this and edit this funnel yourself. So when we download it, it will go directly, we confirm, go to site dashboard. And once we confirm it, we'll be able to edit this page. We can brand this page and kind of make it our own. Go in here, change some of the background, the highlighted backgrounds. Go in here, change where we want. Well, of course, we want it to go to the ebook, but we could also, if we go back, edit the thank you page where you download the ebook, the free ebook. We could also put down below here, we can add a panel or a box here. Let's say if we wanted to add another contact form, let's say if we want to add an element such as a button, we can add a button like this down here, and we can send them to another affiliate product. We can tell them something, put a banner above, which is real simple to do, and say, hey, you may be interested in these supplements or this other guide or some affiliate from Amazon. Whatever the case may be, we could also upsell by putting another little button here and sending them somewhere else after they've downloaded the ebook. And so this is already done for you ebook about, let's see, the 7 main foods. It's basically great for generating leads, and you didn't have to write any copy for this to do so. That's what I really like about Builderall. They really are continuing to grow, continuing to try new things and advancements to keep your business vital and healthy and cutting edge. So I just want to show you guys that it's a great tool. And if you like to try Builderall, I'll put a link in the description of this video. Check it out. They also offer a free 14-day trial. And they also have a free website builder, but it doesn't come with these features. So just note that if you're looking to do this, you're going to have to pay the $69.90 for that. But the free website tool is great if you want to check it out as well in the link below. It's free. It's limited, but if you need just a basic website building, the free tool is great. Just want to share that, guys. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.